Hello guys, welcome to C Learning with new video. In this video we will learn about how to create IPsec tunnel between uh, FortiGate firewall and the other vendor firewall. Other vendor firewall can be any. One side is FortiGate firewall and other side can be Huawei, Cisco, Juniper and Sangfor. So any vendor firewall can be. So in our last video we learned about how to create IPsec tunnel between two FortiGate firewall. If you in site A you have FortiGate firewall, in site 2 you have the FortiGate firewalls, and how to create IPsec tunnel VPN between them. In our last video we create that video. So in this video we see how to configure the IPsec tunnel between two sites. One have the FortiGate and other site has different vendor firewall. So these are the specification, and these are the data you need: the encryption types, DH groups, WAN IP, and the also the LAN IP or LAN IP of this side and LAN IP of this side. And also you need tunnel mode IT version on both sides, so you have to configure the same uh, configuration on both sides. You can see here the site A configuration and site B configuration should be same. Even the pre-shared key password also should be same. So in this video we configure the firewall on site A. This is our site, the FortiGate firewalls, and what option we should select to configure when we configure the firewall, when the other side firewall, site B firewall, is the other vendor firewall. So let's go toward the video. So here, so you create the tunnel first. So go here in VPN, and here you will go here in IPsec visits. So here you will create the tunnel. So just give the name of tunnel. So I am giving here is IPsec IPsec tunnel A to B. Okay, IPsec tunnel. So this is the site to site tunnel. So here you have to select the, if you want to net between the sites, if you so you can select this option. So if you don't want to do the netting between two sites, so select this option. So you can select any option. So I'm selecting no net, and here you will select the remote device. So in our previous video our remote device was FortiGate, the FortiGate on site A, FortiGate on site B. So in this case our remote device is Cisco. We will select Cisco. Cisco means any device can be on site B, any vendor device, means site to site between FortiGate and any other vendor device. So you will select here the uh, remote device type Cisco, then click next, and here you will fill the remote IP. So let's see what is our remote WAN IP, site B WAN IP. So our, this is the our site B, and its WAN IP is this one, 108.10.10.20. okay, let's go here, and 108.10.10 and 20. So this is our WAN IP, and our outgoing interface is our WAN interface. So this is our WAN outgoing interface to ISP, and here you will select the pre-shared key as well. So here is pre-shared key also defined. So our pre-shared key is A B C D E and 1 2 3 4 5 6. So pre-shared key on both sides should be same. So let's check here. Okay, and then click next, and here you will select the local interface. What is your local what is your LAN interface? So my LAN interface is this one. So here let me define. So this is my LAN interface, this is my WAN interface, and this is the remote WAN interface, and this IP is, its IP is this one, and my WAN interface is this one, and its IP is this. Okay, and this is my LAN interface, and on my LAN my IP is 192.168.1.0 network, and on this net side its IP is 172. Let me write it here: 172.168.1.0/24. So this is my the LAN IP, and my LAN IP is 192.168.1.0/24. So this is my LAN IP. So it's asking me for the LAN interface. So my LAN interface is this one. So I will define my LAN interface, and also it will automatically pick the LAN IP, local subnet. So this is my local subnet as I told earlier, and here you will select the remote subnet, remote local subnet, remote LAN subnet, this one 172.161.0. So here we will select the remote LAN subnet 1.0/24. Here we will select the remote subnet. Here you have do not select any option, just select the by default. So here you can read the description as well. Okay, click next, and here your tunnel is ready to set up. So just create. So here your tunnel has been automatically created. Your local group, your address group has been created automatically. Your remote address group has been created automatically. Your phase 2 interface has been created. Also it automatically create the static route, and also black hole route, also local remote policy, and all the other settings has been created automatically. You don't need to create any uh, firewall policy, security policy, and any other thing, static route and the lens local address. You don't need to create anything, it has been created automatically. So we will select now see where it has been created. So we'll go here in a tunnel. So this is our tunnel we created. We'll just double click it and then convert it to custom template to set up our uh, phase 2 and phase 1. So here you can see here it also automatically select the static IP of our WAN, local WAN. Sorry, this is the remote gateway, and now you yes outgoing interface. Okay, and here you will see the authentication. So also we have give this key, and our version is, let's see here the what is our version. Our version is 2 and mode is main. So version is 2 and mode, here you will select main mode and version 2 and click OK. Here we will select the phase 1. So here the phase 1 parameters are defined here, you can see here. So just see and write parameter accordingly. So here there are many encryption types defined, but we will select the encryption type DES. So this is my VM firewall. So in your real firewall you will see many option encryption types. Here you will see AES and other types here as well, and I will select the authentication as SHA as defined here, and our DH group is 21. We will unselect this, and other setting is default, and just click OK. Okay, now we'll go here in IPsec 2. Just write here, edit it, and then go here in advanced, and here you will select the, also you will select this type of, and here you will select the DH group 21, and all other setting is default, and just click here OK, and then OK. So our IPsec tunnel has been set up. Now the next step is we will check the static route, either static route has been created automatically or not. So we go here in networks, and here we will go in static routes. Now you can see here, this is my route and this is the route created by tunnel VPN IPsec created by VPN visits. Okay, and then we will go here in to check the address. So we'll go here in policy. Here in addresses, you can see here, this is my addresses object and addresses. It also create the, this is my local 192.168.1.0, and this is my remote 172.1.6. It also create the object, and here we'll check the policy now. So it also create the policy automatically. Now you can change the policy according to your requirement. So this is the policy, it create automatically. Just double click it, open it. So this is our incoming interface is IPsec tunnel, and our outgoing interfaces. So this is our in policy, IPsec tunnel to LAN, and this is LAN to. So this is our outgoing policy, and this is our incoming policy. Okay, so let's see first the outgoing policy, the from our LAN to IPsec tunnel. So this is incoming interface is LAN, outgoing interface is tunnel, incoming address, this is the local LAN, this is the remote LAN, and here you will select the services. Either you can select the specific like FTP, DNS and other HTTP, and here you will accept the policy. If you want to enable the net, so you can enable the net from here as well, and also you can enable the this security policies from here. You can use the default template, or either you can create your own template of antivirus, web, DNS and other uh, security policies. Okay, and then here you will select the logs all session and enable this policy. Okay, after that you will check here the outgoing incoming policy. So this is our incoming policy. Incoming means the data is coming from WAN to LAN. So WAN is our IPsec tunnel now. So here you can also change the options from here session, and then okay, after that your IPsec tunnel has been totally set up. You don't need to do anything else. Just go here now to check the tunnel. Just go here in dashboard in networks, and here you will find the section of IPsec tunnels. Now you can see here you find the IPsec tunnel. So just select this your tunnel, this is our tunnel. Select this tunnel and bring this tunnel up. So bring the all faces. So now if you bring this tunnel up, and your tunnel will be go up if the remote site configuration has been done. So my remote site configuration is not yet done, so that's why my tunnel is down. After your remote site configuration is done, so you can just select here and bring this tunnel and all face selector up, and your tunnel will be created and your data will move. So that's how you can create the IPsec tunnel between FortiGate firewall and other Cisco, Huawei and other vendor firewall. So hope you like the video. If you have any questions, so you can ask in comments. So if you need any type of video regarding FortiGate firewall, so you can ask me in comments, so I will create that video. So hope you like the video. Thank you very much.